I hope y'all are having a great day. So today I'm gonna do a video on cleaning my house. Well, I'm gonna do my kitchen today. I'm gonna make other videos of me doing other parts of the house, but today is just gonna be my kitchen. I'm gonna show you how I deep clean my kitchen. So I hope you enjoy, and if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. So the first thing I always like to do is wipe down my countertop. So I usually get a rag and I fill a bucket with hot water, some disinfectant, and a little bit of bleach, and I use that to wipe down my counter. So you can see that I'm doing that here. I even wipe down the walls, and you get a clean rag that is completely dry and wipe down the counter again. And then I spray my counters lightly with Lysol. And then the last thing I do is I get my granite polish and I spray that on my counter just to seal it and make sure it looks good. And this is me doing the same exact thing on the rest of my counters. I didn't show all of them, but this is me doing one of our biggest countertops. And my finishing touch is to always light some candles at the end. These are 3 different candles that I got from Walmart for $5 each. So I'm going to show you those right now. Here are all the candles on our bar. This one is called Pure Energy. This one is Island Party. And then the last one is a Coconut Lime. So here I'm just wiping down my Keurig. As you can see, it was pretty dirty on the inside with dried up coffee, so I went ahead and washed that with warm soap and water. So here I am about to clean my stove. I'm taking it all apart. And I spray it with an all-purpose cleaner, and then I wipe it down with a damp rag. And when I do this, it's a very light wipe as I am about to scrub it. This is just to kind of get the little stuff off before I scrub it. So now I'm going to get my soap and sponge and start scrubbing. And as you can see, it's starting to foam up. So after I wiped it down a few times, I go over to the sink and then I rinse out the sponge and I just wipe it over again with just water. This helps lather it up. And then after that, I get a clean dry towel and I start getting the soap off. It does take a couple times. So after I finish with that, I'm going to start cleaning the rest of the pieces. I just spray it down again with the all-purpose cleaner and just scrub at it a little bit.
After
I finish, the next thing I do is my microwave. I do this about once a week. I just wipe it down with a damp sponge in and out. The next thing I do is wipe down my cabinets and drawers. As you can see, there's some food marks that fell down and other stuff like that on it, so I go ahead and scrub those about once a week. Next, I do my dishes. We like to hand wash our dishes versus using the dishwasher. For some reason, George and I both enjoy it, so that's what we usually do. After that, I go ahead and clean out my sink. I use a bleach cleaner and then I use a granite cleaner on top of it as well. And the very last thing I do is sweep and mop my floors. This is something I try to do every day, but I do it more thoroughly once a week. And this is our final product. I think we did a great job today. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as I will do weekly cleaning videos. And also, if there are any specific video ideas you guys have for me, whether it's mom related, cleaning related, cooking related, whatever it may be, go ahead and comment down below and I will definitely do it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you'll have a great day.